Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Attio CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you notate a company account inside your Attio CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to notate a company account inside of Attio anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different virtual assistants or contractors, and sometimes there's important information you need to notate about a company you're working with so the rest of your team knows. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Attio, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and notate a company you're working with, you're on the left side, you're going to go ahead and click on companies. Once you do that, go ahead and scroll down until you see the company you want to notate. So for example, this one right here, and just click on the name of the company. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this gray menu here at the top, and you want to click on notes. All right, next you want to click on this gray button here, create note. Okay, so now we can go ahead and add a note. So important in office likes Doritos. Okay, and then down here and click in here, do not bring Cheetos to this office. Okay, once you're done, there's no save button. All you're going to do is just close it out. And with Attio, it automatically saves the note inside of that company. So that way, any of my coworkers end up inside working in this company account, they're going to see this note right here. Also, it's going to show up here on the notes here on the top left. So here are the recent notes. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to notate a company that you are working with inside of your Attio CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.